Hello and good morning, and it is that of the 4-minute morning for today, which is that of Friday, 20th day of April, 2018. My name is Derek. Like always, all investment choices you make within your own risk, own reward. On the TradingView site, I have the 18 weighted moving average of highs and lows and volume. Those are the only indicators that I use, but when they get in your way, which is when you're looking at the upper end, it gets a little bit better just to hide it on that level. All right, Bitcoin daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, about a week, in which it was supporting, not resisting, the first key level that was supposed to be resistance, but it wasn't. It was support. The high on the Bitfinex exchange on the April 15th level before the 2-day pullback was $8,458. You can see that number on the top of the screen where it says H. Well, it's already higher than that at 85.23, so it's barely broken this level of resistance. Next key level, 9,504 based on the Fibonacci from the high and the low. This is a 38.2% mark. It looks like there's a decent chance that it's going to move up to that level. So Bitcoin's been doing good for the last few days. Alternate coins have been doing better. Litecoin, although slower before the last few days, has had a very nice break above this level. Extended from the 18 average of highs, and it's at a stage now where it's very difficult to look at this chart and decide, okay, what's the next key move? A price correction maybe back down around the 135 level, or is it now ready to reach that next key level at about 171? And I don't know the answer to that. Now on the Bittrex site, I highlighted all of these on page 3. What I did is I took all of the top data and I multiplied its percentage move by its volume. I guess I have 59 periods because there's a new one in town called Proppy. I'm not counting that. So I take volume, multiply the percentage move, and then I took the sum of the percentage move into the volume. It works out that the average coin volume weighted is about up 3.5% over the last 24 hours ago. This is as of around 8 in the morning. I have no idea what Proppy is. The only data I have right now here is the 5-minute chart going back to last night when it opened. Had a bunch of moves up here. It has consolidated and has stayed in this congestion area around the 30,000 Satoshi mark. Next up, Bitcoin Cash on the daily chart up to 0.127 and the area of previous support from February. Only taking 3 days from the low to get to that point. Markets go up a lot faster in the crypto space, at least against BTC, than they go down. It's continuing to work this way. High volatile moves, to say the least. As far as volume, look at all this volume here, nothing here. Well, if I scroll this back, yep, a little bit more. We'll see how this follows through, but definitely overextended on the short-term time frame. And just because it's overextended doesn't mean it can't continue to go higher, but it's going to remain overextended even further more such that. And when you have the overextended markets, you are due at some point for a price correction. So if it pulls back now, okay, well, maybe we'll at least go down to somewhere around here maybe, but if it goes up to say 17, maybe it'll pull back to where we are now. And finally, Litecoin crossed against Bitcoin after the move on the 17th, getting up to the 18 average of highs, barely getting above it the next day on the 18th. Yesterday's session breaking it above, and it's just holding within such right now. 169 is above that level. That's where I'd be looking for short-term support, and the next key level, well, probably close to the 2 handle. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.